In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and manage pages in your Shopify store, and this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to keep your site organized and easy to navigate. First, open your Shopify dashboard and go to the online store section in the left-hand menu. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Pages, and you'll see a list of all your existing pages, giving you a clear view of what's currently on your site. You'll see several options that help you create new pages or edit old ones. Once you've completed these steps, click the Add Page button to create a new page. Start by giving your page a title, something that clearly represents the content, like About Us or Our Mission. After that, you should be able to add your content without any interruptions. You can include text, images, and even videos to make the page engaging. When you're happy with the layout and content, click Save to keep everything intact. If you need to edit an existing page, just click on the page title from the list, make the necessary changes in the editor, and remember to save once done. After your pages are created or updated, open the menu section under Content in your dashboard to make your pages accessible to visitors. Click on the menu you want to update, like your main menu, then select Add Menu Item, choose the page you created, and click Add. Don't forget to save the menu so the changes go live. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create, edit, and integrate pages into your Shopify store easily and efficiently, making it simple for your visitors to navigate and find the information they need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?